Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I have an unboxing video of the May My Creative Scrapbook limited edition kit. In the May kit, we got some gorgeous papers and embellishments from the Prima collection called Spring Abstract. I'm going to show you the papers first, then I'll show you everything else that we received in the kit. This first paper is a beautiful floral wreath. The colors in this collection are so pretty and they're perfect for spring. In the background of the wreath is a pink wash, and then there are lots of silver foil dots as well. On the other side, we have this paper. It has a white background and some black dots, and I really love having neutrals like this in collections. The next page we receive two of. This has this large, really beautiful floral on the bottom, again with the silver foiling on this page. On the top is this beautiful pink marbled look. I just love that, with some white splatters. On the other side of this paper is a yellow print with some white lines. This sheet, which we also received two of, has some more florals. There are some lemons mixed in, and there's again some silver foiling, a blue background. And then on the other side, we have this beautiful shade of lavender with some white butterflies. And again, two sheets of that paper. Here we have some 3x4-inch cut-aparts. Again, we have two sheets of this one. There are lots of different images. There's butterflies, lots of florals. There's a silver foiled heart, and then there's also some sentiments. And then on the other side, we have this white background with the black flowers. Here we have another sheet. This has the same look as far as having clusters of florals, but these are inside of circles. And then we have that pink wash background again. On the other side of this sheet, we have these overlapping lines in dark blue, light blue, and white. This is a really gorgeous page. I love the trees, the flowers, and the fruit. There are some butterflies in the background, and again, lots of the silver foiling. On the other side of this sheet, we have this very subtle pink color with the white dots. And then finally, we receive a piece of Simple Stories Life in Bloom paper. It has this really nice pink paper with white dots on it, and then on the other side we have this gorgeous floral, and the flowers are just so pretty. I love the colors in this collection. So those are all of the papers that we received. Next, I'll show you some of the embellishments. This month, we also receive the chipboard stickers that match the Spring Abstract collection. There are lots of sentiments in this chipboard pack. There are also butterflies. There's more on the other side. There are florals. There are some hearts. We have a bird. That's a really pretty bird. I like that. On the other side, like I said, there are more butterflies, more florals, and another sentiment. So lots of great things to use on your pages that go along perfectly with the papers. We also received 2 packs of ephemera. We got this set that has 72 pieces and this set that has 68 pieces, and I'm going to take them out of the packages and show you both of them. This is the first ephemera pack. As I said, there are 72 pieces in this pack. Something I love about Prima is that they include 2 of each image in their ephemera collections, so I feel like that comes in really handy. Very often I want to use an image more than once on my pages, and this way I don't have to skimp. There are plenty to use. So in this pack there are lots of florals, there are individual flowers, there are slightly larger flowers, and then there are clusters of flowers. There's also another one over here. We also have butterflies, a bird. I love this bow. There are some smaller sentiments. This one says dreamer, and then here we have a ticket. We have some larger sentiments too, which I'm really happy to see. These could be used as titles on layouts. We have wild as the wind, happiness blooms from within, and then thankful, grateful, blessed. We also have some circles, and then here are some black and white spotted ephemera pieces. So lots to use here, and we have another pack, and I will show that to you next. This is the second ephemera pack. This has 68 pieces. Once again, there are 2 of each. And again, there are lots of gorgeous florals. We have some individual flowers, some small ones. Then we have some medium-sized flowers. There are some clusters of flowers. There's a silver foil flower. There are some branches. Here's some individual leaves. There are also some tags, 3 different types of tags. This one says in full bloom. There are lots of sentiments. There's here comes the sun, beauty, I feel beautiful today, wild, blessed, just love, spring lover, you are some kind of wonderful. And I think that all of these could be used either as titles or as sentiments to accompany a title. There are also some butterflies, and then we also have some wreaths. We have a squarish kind of frame wreath, and then we have a round one as well. So we have lots and lots of ephemera to use along with those papers this month. In the May kit, we not only got a stamp set, we also got a stencil. The stamp set, which is by Jen Hatfield, this has this gorgeous branch. I love this branch with the veins in the leaves. There are also some smaller images of branches down here. There are 2 butterflies. There's a small one, and then there's this large, more ornate butterfly. And then there is a floral cluster, and then some sentiments, thank you, hello, and this love you, which is on a banner. So this will coordinate and match in really nicely, I think, with the papers and embellishments that are in the kit. And then we also got a stencil. I absolutely love stencils, and I love this large circle stencil, and I'm looking forward to trying this out on a background. I think this would be great with some distress inks through it. And then finally, my favorite part of every kit is the flowers that we receive. This month we got 3 packs of Prima flowers, and they're all the same color scheme, the pink, yellow, and blue color scheme that matches the collection. I love the way there are some yellow centers on these flowers and on these flowers, and then there are some really pretty gold bead centers on some of these flowers. These are on the smaller side. Here we have some medium-sized flowers, and then here we have some larger flowers with some medium flowers mixed in. And of course, with the Prima flowers, if flowers are too large, you can always take some of the layers away. So there are always different ways of using the flowers. I find when there's a variety of sizes, it makes it very easy for those floral clusters to come together and look very natural. That is everything that we receive in the May My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. I hope that you'll stay tuned to the end of this video. In a few moments, you'll be able to see all of the layouts that I created using this beautiful kit. I hope that you enjoy your kit when you receive it, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.